how to fix your quest error in Hamster Kombat. So there are multiple steps that you can do here, but you should always try offloading or clearing the data. If you're an Android, iOS, offload as your first option. But if that doesn't work, then the first step is to check your internet connection. Ensure stable connection, or you could switch networks. The next step is to simply refresh the game. If you're in a browser or in their website, then you refresh the page. Next is to check the blockchain network status. They might be doing some maintenances or something and should solve the problem by time. The next check is to ensure proper wallet connection. Try disconnecting and reconnecting wallets. The next option is to check for game updates. If you're playing through an app, make sure the game is updated to the latest version. Next option is to verify permissions and security settings. You can do this in the settings by directly going to the My App section and to the Hamster Kombat, where you choose to allow permissions. If you have any sort of VPN, try disabling it, as some VPN services can cause issues with connecting to blockchain games or wallet. Our next option is an error-specific message. Often an error message will give more details about what the issue is. So try to identify the specific cause based on the error message. For our last option, you should try and contact support. You find their contact information on the game's official websites, on Discord or social media accounts. As you can see, their Telegram and Twitter is here. Now, if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos. That's all. Thank you.